What is up, you guys? Jose here. In today's video, we're gonna be working on some lighting for my truck. Hold on. Are you done? Once we're done with the front, we're gonna be putting these in the back. They're flush mounts. There's some information on these. I like how they come with templates. And for this one, I got a hard wire. Or I have a... This system's gonna make it super easy. But here's that. And this one's a light by Nilight. And it's gonna be flush, and it comes with the necessary bolts. I don't think I explained it earlier, but this is the setup. I'm gonna be running 2 lights on the back bumper. Well, typically I usually hardwire, but I should make it so that I can just unplug it whenever I need to. So that's where I found these DT 2-pin connectors. I'll leave links to all of these in the description, but I found this Y split to 1. So that's how I knew that I needed to use the female for the connections. So I can connect to these, and this long point will connect to the 30-foot wire that will run to the very front. I'll run it all the way up to my switch panel. All these switch panels connect to what I have inside that I'll be able to control through my switch controller. Alright, it's the next day. Off camera, I had to drill or cut out the plastic from the bumper, and behind it there was a metal plate. So now everything fits. I still need to drill the bolt holes and I'll be fine, and then it fits. And I might look a little dirty is because I've been under the truck running all the wiring that I need. I already have them bolted. I ran the wire, followed the old tubing, so it's this kind of tubing. From the back, I fished the actual wiring that I need to run to the panel, and I already wired it. So let me go ahead and finish everything else, clean it all up, and I'll show you the end results.